Judy Tan. And here with me always, my BFF Marcus AC at the Forever 21 Fashion Corner.
Now, this week, get ready to take some fashion notes because I have one woman who hates to be known as a fashionista, but she knows all things that's in trend. Please welcome my good friend, Sharon Lim.
Hi.
You just came back from Milan.
Yes, I did.
How was it?
Well, it was just amazing watching the show because now I know exactly what we're going to be wearing for fall winter.
What are some of the things that you can share with us that's coming up at the end of the year?
Okay, girls, you have to get ready to get really sexy. Okay. We are looking at a lot of very slinky pencil skirts. Think of the Hitchcock heroine meets Mad Men. So Mad Men's kind of prim and proper. Hitchcock is kind of like vulnerable but cold, right?
So what else besides that?
All about the silhouette and little things that sort of twist a classic look, if you want to call it that. We keep recycling the 60s, 70s, 80s, 40s, 90s. But what makes it current is how it's put together.
What is the current trend on these?
The easiest way to update any outfit is to wear accessories. So today, I'm going to tell you about the statement accessory now and for the next 3 months. Last season, we were doing the oversized clutch. It was huge. It was like this, right? No more. And this is actually an iPad case. The streetcar bloggers are actually starting to use iPad holders as clutches. And you can do kitschy with a bit of rock and roll, or you can just do plain rock and roll.
You have something like this over here?
Yeah, you can do metallics. This is a huge colour for spring-summer. Pastel metallic, they call it. Return to fashion.
Okay, so we talked about clutches and cases and stuff. What about shoes?
Platform fronts
Yeah.
are actually not that big anymore. Now you have the lady shoe. It's the return of a streamlined classic lady shoe.
Okay.
So you can do a little wild if you want. Hoochie Mama, we always like that.
Or something cleaner like this.
Yeah, because pastels are always big for spring-summer, and this is a slightly higher heel. It's a very ladylike Kate Middleton kind of shoe, you know? Princessy almost, but it's assertive.
Okay.
I like to think.
Okay. Here we have a couple of choker style, like this.
Yeah, so this is the choker, as its name implies, is a sort of a tighter necklace. Choking you, get it? As opposed to the statement necklace of the past few seasons. This is a bit tribal, obviously, because it looks like it was carved from an animal, but it's obviously not.
Okay, but I have here, which is a bit more bling, but it's still
Yes.
a choker. Is
Yeah.
bling still in?
Oh, never out, man.
Oh, okay. Yes.
So you're right. Actually, a choker is very good for dressing up any plain top. But I think the trick now is to wear it with something higher so that it doesn't look like you're cutting off your neck, you know?
Okay, so
yeah, you don't want
something
that.
Something like this?
This is a classic choker. I mean,
Okay.
this is very 80s style. I don't think the 80s is leaving us anytime soon. This is good because it sits nicely on your neck and collarbones.
Wow. Cool. Thank you, Sharon. Please, everyone.